नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिकोड करने वाले हैं सूर्य यंत्र आसन का, जिसमें यू नीड अ फेयर अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इन योर हैमस्ट्रिंग मसल्स। सो हम करने वाले कुछ ऐसे ड्रिल्स विच इज गोइंग टू टेक अस टुवर्ड्स द सूर्य यंत्र आसना। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स डाइव इन। So the first asana is the basic Malasana. For that, let's get into Ardha Hanumanasana. Now we are going to place the right foot outside the right palm and the left 45-degree. Place your feet in 45-degree angle. Now join your palms in front of your chest. Now push your elbow out. Now stay here. Try to keep your spine straight. Now, if you're someone struggling to sit here, you can also use the support of a block and sit. Now, gradually with time, you're going to develop the strength and mobility, and then you can remove and sit. Now, the next asana is Asana. For that, we'll start by sitting in Dandasana. Now, we're going to lean towards the right side and bend the left leg. Now adjust the flesh under your sit bones. Now we are going to use the Iliopsoas muscle strength to get the leg up. So instead of bending and getting the leg up, try to use the strength and get the leg up. So flex the foot, use the strength and then grab the leg. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now stay here for a few breaths and then slowly release the hand and then slowly release the leg. Now you need a fair amount of strength in the Iliopsoas muscle. Don't just use the quad strength. Use your Iliopsoas muscle strength. The next asana is the Upavistha Konasana. For that, we are going to get the legs apart. Now you can keep the elbow down, get your ears above the shoulders and then slowly get the palm down. Now if you feel this is very easy for you, then you can do some push-ups. So hold the elbows from behind, take a deep breath in, exhale, go down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Now if you feel this is also easy, then you can grab the elbow, stay down and slightly above the mat and hold. Now hold here for a few breaths. You should feel the stretch in the inner thigh and then slowly come up. The next asana is the pigeon pose. Now for that, we are going to get into Ardha Hanumanasana. Now externally rotate the right leg and then place it parallel to the mat. So we are going to keep it away from the groin. Now adjust the back leg, feet flat, and now slowly take a deep breath in. Now exhale, keep your elbow down. Now if you feel this is easy, you can go all the way down, getting the head on the mat. Slowly come up and then do the same. Now while getting out of the asana, make sure you're doing it safely. So tuck the foot in and then get the leg back. Now make sure you do it very safely. Now the next asana is the Ardha Hanumanasana, the half split. Now for that, we are getting on the knee. Now whenever you do any asana that requires you standing up on the knee, use a cushion, use some support, thick mat or knee cushions. Now from here, we are just going to take the right foot out. The toes are up. Now take a deep breath in. Now exhale, go down and feel the stretch. the hamstring. Keep looking at the big toe. And stay here. Focus on the inhalations and the exhalations. Be aware of your breath. Now slowly, slowly inhale, come up, and then do the same on the opposite leg. So I'm showing you all the variation from one side. Obviously, you have to do from both the sides and hold for at least 8 to 12 breaths. The next asana is the Prasarita Padottanasana. For that, we're going to get the legs apart. Now the feet are facing forward. Now keep your hands on the waist. Take a deep breath in, open up the chest. Now exhale, go down, leading with the chest. Your ears are above the shoulders, and then slowly, slowly, gradually place the palm down. Now there should not be any hunch. We're leading with the chest. Now take a deep breath in and then slowly, slowly exhale and go down. Make sure your knees are locked. Now stay here for a few breaths. If you can, try to touch the head on the floor. Now stay here for a few breaths. And then slowly inhale, come up, stay here. Take a deep breath. And then come up. And then slowly, slowly Samasthiti. So these were some of the drills. So now let's do the Surya Yantrasana. For that, we'll start by sitting in Dandasana. Now from here, we are going to bend the right leg. So we are going to bend the right leg. Now we have to push it back. So push the knee back. Now from here, we are going to place the right hand. Now this becomes like a hook so that the knee doesn't come forward. Now from here, grab from the outside and then slowly, slowly use your quad strength to straighten the leg. And look up. Let's see from the front side. So we are going to bend the right leg. Now place it, push it back. So the knee has to be behind the shoulders. Now we are going to place the right hand down. So this becomes like a hook. Now from here you're going to grab, and then we are going to take a deep breath in. Now we have to use your quads strength. Use your quad strength to straighten up the leg. And then look. Slowly, slowly release. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something new in this video. And if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean a lot to me. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे कुछ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज डालती हूँ जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है, या कोई बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स आसना आपके लिए ब्रेक डाउन करती हूँ ताकि आप अपने घर के कंफर्ट में उसको इजीली ट्राई कर सके विदाउट एनी इंजरी. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू आर अ योगा टीचर जिसको अपनी जर्नी यहाँ से यहाँ स्केल करनी है और जानना है कि क्या करेक्ट डायरेक्शन है अपनी योगा जर्नी को देने के लिए, देन यू नीड टू फॉलो आरोग्यम योगा एंड वेलनेस बाय सप्तशिखा. वो अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही वीडियोस डालती है और करियर इन योगा को कैसे स्केल करना है, क्या करेक्ट डायरेक्शन है, और अगर आप स्टैग्नेंट फील कर रहे हैं तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सम वेरी गुड आइडियाज़. ऑल्सो अगर आप एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो हमसे योगा सीखना चाहते हैं, योगा के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं, देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर. मेरी टीम आपसे संपर्क करेगी और आपको जो भी डिटेल्स है वो ज़रूर प्रोवाइड करेगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.